Hello everyone, this is Farhan from farhanreviews.com, and today I'll be reviewing CPA Boss. I'm doing this review live from Wembley Park Station, which is opposite the famous Wembley Stadium in London. Okay, so this is my review page. Go to farhanreviews.com, it will be on there. And I go through the main features of the product. But what CPA Boss is, it's mainly a training course that teaches you about CPA marketing and how to make money from CPA offers. So CPA offers can be quite lucrative, if I can say it properly, in that you don't have to force someone to spend money and buy a product before you can make some money from it. I talked about it a little bit in my review. Okay, I'll get to that anyway. But so what you can do is, for example, if you have if you find an offer where someone just needs to put in their email address, so once they put in their email address and they press enter or send, then the CPA company, the networking company, will pay you a small amount. So it could be in cents or dollars, it depends on the offer. Now, if you can get enough of these offers, you can make a full-time income just from CPA marketing and CPA offers. This CPA Boss package is a training course and an app. I'm not too keen on the app, but the training course, I went through most of the modules, and it is quite comprehensive. Because I'm not overly familiar with CPA offers. I've made a few commissions here and there, but that was a while ago. I've not really been into it that much. But they go through how to find the offers, how to get approved for the offers, and how to make money from them using native ads. Sorry, the app. Yeah, the problem I had with the app was that it's all about mass commenting on new or popular YouTube videos with a bit of text, template text that you can write, and your affiliate or offer link. Now that worked a while ago, but nowadays I've noticed that even my own channel, I auto block any posts with links in them because it's mostly spam. And if you do it too much, YouTube will catch on. They might end up blocking your account. So if you do really want to use their app, I suggest you create new accounts and just definitely do not use your main accounts. But let me just quickly go through. Yeah, so their membership area, I mentioned in my review that it's a bit plain, which is nice. It doesn't have to be overly colourful and bright. But they made it in WordPress, which is a change, because most of my last reviews, everything's been in ClickFunnels, which is super pricey and it's a bit slow. But it's just basic page layout with all their training videos. I believe there's 6. Where did I mention it? Okay, I forgot. I think it's about 6 videos in total. I'll show you anyway. It's about 6 videos in total. It does give you a good overview of what CPA marketing is and how you can make money. This is the app dashboard. I'll show you that in detail as well, but this basically allows you to add your social accounts and then create auto-posting campaigns. Let me see. So I'll go through the pricing in a second, but it's $17 for the front end. And at the minimum, the $17 is worth the small investment because you do get quite a lot of good training. So the front end is $17, as I just said. The Pro Edition is $37 with a downsell of $27. I don't think it's worth it because if it was me, I wouldn't be using that software too much. The done for you campaigns are useful, $47 with a downsell of $27. OTO3 is the case studies, 27 downsell of 17. I'm a big fan of case studies because it shows you over the shoulder how people actually set up campaigns and how they set up these processes to make money. So if you can pick it up and the downsell is still there for $17, it's a bargain. The reseller license allows you to sell the training and the cold course thing as your own, and you make full profit, full commission. The training is $47 and downsell $27, may be useful. And the traffic software that they allow you to give away as your own, I don't know too much about them, so I can't say for sure. But for $17 downsell, it may be good. So overall, is it worth it? Yeah, the training is very good. teaches a lot about CPA marketing, and you can actually start making some money by using their methods. The app is not good, so I wouldn't really use it. Now the bonus, if you buy on my page via any of the links on my page, you'll get all of these bonuses completely free of charge as soon as you purchase. So the first bonus is access to Gemini front end version, and it's a completely working autoresponder service. It's compatible with Mailgun and other SMTP providers. And it also includes a page builder and other tools to really boost your email marketing, especially if you're new. You can get a free autoresponder working just by buying this CPA Boss. Bonus 2 is access to behind the scenes. It's another over the shoulder case study, but it's a full long video series or video. Shows you from scratch how to set up a campaign that could make you 5 figures or more. Bonus 3 is a traffic course. So you need traffic to your CPA offers, and Google ads can be expensive, so Bing ads is a really good alternative. So this course will show you how to set up Google ads, Bing ads even. Bonus 4 is access to Goodwill. So this is training on an app with some freebies to give away to really build up your list, and you can use that list to generate more traffic to your offers. Bonus 5 is all of the vendor bonuses, and bonus 6 is free page hosting that is very fast and is completely free to set up. So you get all of that just by clicking on any of these links and buying from my page. So let me show you inside the membership area. So this is the basic membership area. These are the 3 guys that are involved with this. These are all the training videos. So you've got introduction to CPA Boss, how to get accepted to CPA networks, choosing the right offer, which is important, how to what are native ads and how to set up native ads. Module 5, setting up your first native ad campaign, and module 6 is tweaking and finessing your campaigns and getting better results. So I've been through most of these videos, and they are very good. They're very useful. You will learn a lot, and for a bargain price $17, you can't really go wrong. This is the app. I'm not too keen on it, but so it's got some other tools like image editor and URL shortener, but you don't really need those. But the main focus of the ad is the campaigns, and okay, I think I've deleted one that I made. But anyway, so what you basically do is you create your own comments and you add your links, and then once you add your own social accounts, it will post automatically to these popular videos or upcoming videos or new videos. And I don't think it really works anymore. I mean, maybe people will click on them, but nowadays people see it as spam, so I wouldn't really focus on that. With my bonuses, you get access to Goodwill, which will build up your email list, and you get a Bing ads training. So you'll learn essentially how to get traffic to your offers for free as a bonus. So overall, I do like CPA Boss. It's got some good points to it. The training is very good. I'm losing my voice. Excuse me. I think it is worth the investment on the front end offer, and maybe the case studies, because case studies, I said, are always helpful. But yeah, I hope you found the video useful, and I hope you like my video background. So my next video will be somewhere new, and if you've got any suggestions where you want me to go, just leave a link below. I'll try and pick a different content of each video, but we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Bye.